In today's video, we're going to build a powerful week-to-date anchored VWAP indicator using Claude AI and TradingView without writing a single line of code. Today, I'll show you how this indicator automatically generates buy and sell signals based on whether the price is trading above or below the anchored VWAP, and we'll show you how you can build the entire thing for yourself in under 10 minutes. Now, first of all, before we begin, you simply need two simple things for a setup. So first of all, you need a TradingView account. It's completely free and accessible using the tradingview.com. Simply log in and you'll be able to access the super charts and be able to graph the overall data here shown in this video. Number two, you will need a Claude AI account. Simply go to anthropic.com and go towards try Claude. You can completely sign. The free trial will work for generating the code. Now, if you want to iterate and redefine the indicator extensively, the pro plan at $20 a month gives you much more room to work with. Now, to start off, we will need to simply open Claude Code. You can open it whether it be on the overall web, installed locally on your computer, or using Visual Studio Code. And simply what we will do is insert the following prompt into Claude Code. Remember, it is very important to have the exact prompt that we have here. First of all, I'll read it. It says, build me a TradingView PineScript version 5 indicator with the following logic. We will include the indicator name, the VWAP calculation, which will be able to calculate the average weighted average price exactly around the week to date, and it will plot this line in a clear color. It'd be purple. And then we will label the buy signal when the overall price closes above the week to date anchored VWAP by a percentage of greater than 1. As well, it will be a sell or down signal when the price closes below the week to the anchored VWAP by more than 1%. As well, we will add an optional alert condition when the buy signal fires and an overall alert condition when a down signal fires. So we will allow this code, and we simply generated the code. We had a little bit of trouble with clause. We simply had to adjust it so that the percentage had to be more than 1% here because there was a lot of wick signals. And simply what we did is that we copy and pasted this code here simply from Claude Code with a little bit of redefinement. Now, as you can see, it is fully available on TradingView, and we have everything labeled with input settings. We have the comments on the weak start detection to simply acknowledge where the overall structure is, as well as the anchored VWAP calculation, and the overall, the most important ones, which is going to be the threshold bands of no more than 1%. Now, this is very important, especially when it comes to coding indicators, because if the structure is not organized, it will be very difficult to scale and overall build on top of indicators. This is simply an accelerator, and we believe that Claude Code has been doing an outstanding and I would say phenomenal job of simply defining and giving heavy structure to these overall indicators. So now what we will do is add it towards the chart. So we save it, exit out, and it is simply plotted here on our screen. So let me quickly explain what this is going to do. So we are on an overall chart of TSM. We'll switch it toward, let's say, the triple Q, the NASDAQ. Right here exactly. And you can see on the overall right-hand side here of my screen, we have the overall table, which shows the week to day anchored VWAP, the price that it's at, or the average price of participant, the threshold of 1%. This can be changed later on. Position above, so that means that we are supposed to be bullish, and the distance that the price action is above the week today is around 1.95. So that also, we do have to factor this in the price action as well. So zooming out, we go towards the first trading day of the week. So today is Friday, May 22nd, and the first trading session was here, Monday, on the 18th, and we can see that the price action did not give us any sell signals at all because we didn't really reach the threshold that is exactly here, the sell signal. Now, this is important because usually when this happens, it just means that the market, even though it is declining, we are just kind of not seeing enough volatility that would allow us to extend even more downside moves for higher profits, right? So usually when there's more explosiveness, we do tend to see those more explosive and decisive calls. Now here we did get a buy signal here on this date of the 19th of May, right, exactly around this overall candle, because the volume rose quite heavily. We can see here if we zoom in a little bit closer, we even got a little highlight here in the bottom. Simply like this, we saw a very strong increase of the volume, and the price action followed right after that. Simply from there, we recover a little bit more. And if we look here, mostly the market was kind of in between these overall thresholds, like we said, 1% above, 1% below. And it just shows us that there was a lot of confusion in the market. Now, here we got a buy signal exactly here. And usually, what happens when we get a lot of buy signals like this in Confluence, it shows to us that there is a lot of underlying buying conviction exactly at this general zone. So if we zoom out and we go ahead, we saw that again. We got those consistent signals exactly here. And the price action is well above the week to the anchored VWAP. So simply buying either exactly here, 709, or buying even higher around 713, you are simply well in the money at around 720, showing that this indicator is extremely profitable. Now let's go towards another chart. Let's say Taiwan Semiconductors. Now for Taiwan Semiconductors, the same thing occurred, right? We had a lot of buying signals firing up at around the same time, showing us that there was a lot of underlying strength in this name. And then simply after that, the market opened on Thursday, pretty much yesterday, and we gapped up completely. Very strong buying candle that came in on the open around 6:30 in the morning, 9:30 Eastern time, and closing well above. So let's enter here at 400, and the stock's around 405. So still you're seeing that profitability. On the short term, we are seeing this rejection of VWAP and the price action, but we are above the overall threshold, and the week to the anchored VWAP here, that is around 398, which is very, very important here for our overall profitability metrics. Now, before we wrap it up, something that really is going to be the best part of this strategy is going to be the alerts. So generally when we're trading or you're looking to enter a position, obviously we won't have time to be looking at the market the whole time of 24/7, right? So you will need some way of indicator, some way of alert, right? And that is where it's going to be built in here on TradingView alongside our strategy. So we have the signals, right? So we go on alerts, and the condition is going to be this strategy exactly here. We will be looking for either buy signals or down signal, etc. We can filter out by down signal or any signal, whether we want to be both buy or down. And then we can get on the interval. We can choose depending on whether you are a swing trader or more of a day trader. For my personal preference, since I am more of a day trader, I tend to use the 5-minute and the 10-minute time frame here. So we'll just put the 5-minute, and you can also add further conditions here. But in order to do that, you do need recommended plus for the membership as well. And you can also send notifications to email, webhook URL. So if you want to get a little bit more professional with that, and you simply create that, and you should get access to a very important automated strategy on the indicator that you choose, right? So it's something very, very important. And I believe that this is going to be the full 24/7 workload that Claude allows to be built, especially at the moment of market conditions and when they shift. Now, if you want me to build more indicators like this with RSI, VWAP confirmation, any other indicator like EMAs, I'll be reading every single comment, and I'll request the most liked ones. Now, if this video was useful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you want more indicators and TradingView, feel free to use our Patreon membership completely free for 7 days. Now, if you enjoyed this video, we'll see you guys in the next one.